Hello everyone, today we are going to do this simple logo animation in After Effects. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So before going to the After Effects, make sure every element in a different layer. I actually separate them already so that we can animate it in After Effects. So what we'll do now, just select the whole layer, click on this button and select the option release to layered sequence. What it will do, like it will separate every element in a different layer, so we don't have to do it manually. So here we are in After Effects. Just double click on here and open our file. Composition is selected, click OK. Just drag it down here and double click on it. So first thing we will do is to change them to vector layer. For that, right click on it, create, and create shapes from vector layers. Now we don't need these AI files, so we can just delete all of them. So after that, first thing we will do, we animate the logo first, then the text. So for that, we just bring the text forward, also the first section of the logo. Select the bottom area, open the content. For that, we have to actually animate every part of it. As you can see, we have 3 paths because of the sections, so you have to animate it simultaneously. So let's just close it from here and just search path. Select 3 of them, just drag all of them so that it will aim to its initial position. Start, change its shape and make it in a straight line. Use pen tool for it. Done. So this is how it will. So after that, we just select all the key frames and keyframe assistance and easy ease. We can actually use a shortcut also, F9. If you select all of them and just press F9 from your keyboard, it will easy ease every keyframe that you have selected. After that, we go to the speed graph, select one by one. Select one by one and edit them so that it look more good on screen. Basically, what the speed graph do, like the animation will be slow, then when it peak, the speed of the animation will go high, then it will bring down. If I can show you, this is how it's gonna look. I guess we can decrease the distance between keyframes to make it more fast. I think this is good. After that, let's now add the line which will start this layer. For that, just select the pen tool and from there on create a line. Make sure it have the same size. After that, we will add trim path to the line. For that, just click on this button and add trim path. we'll open the trim path and click both of them and make it to 100. Let's bring it starting, and after that the first one will be 0. Second, we can just one frame, maybe 2 frames will be also 10 point will be 0. So this is actually gonna look. We'll easy ease. After that we'll edit the second tier. Just open the path. Here we have a single path. That's actually good. Just bring it forward, and now we can edit it. All right. We just easy ease them and edit the speed of it in the graph editor. So now we will edit the text. For that we'll make the pre-com of English and Arabic text. Let's say of this we can here pre-com Arabic, and for English version we can also just create another pre-com. Now we create a box, make sure it cover all the text, place it above the English pre-com, change the English pre-com made to alpha made. After that we make sure the text will appear after we complete the logo animation. Now we edit the position and drag it outside the box so that we can animate it and bring it into the box and it will appear. We can just easily use them and edit in graph editor. Here we go. Now the same process we're going to follow for the Arabic text. We create this box and keep it above the Arabic composition and use the alphabet for it too. So this was the today's video. I hope you guys liked it and maybe you learned something from it. And for the future videos, make sure you like and subscribe. Goodbye.